guys, my name is Gladzy, and I am an artist at Imagination Design Studios. Yesterday, we got a request from one of our viewers, named Ben, from England, to draw a shark. Thank you so much for your suggestion, Ben. If you have a request, visit ids.com/kidsclub to submit your idea. You'll also find more drawing videos and coloring pages to download. So grab your materials and remember to pause if you need time to catch up. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. So for this drawing, we are going to be using 2 shades of blue and we're going to be using crayons. You can also use coloring pencils, but for this one, I figured crayons would be the best. So one would be a little lighter and one would be a little darker. For now, I'm using the cerulean blue for the lighter one and just the regular blue for the darker shade. So we'll start by using the lighter colored blue, and we are going to map out the basic shape of our shark. So first, you're going to have to start by drawing an arch just a little bit above the middle of your page here. You can start really light and then gradually darken it as you become more confident. And then you draw another curve down below, another wavy line. So make sure you have a little bit of like this gap here because this is where the shark's head is going to be. So you draw that curve all the way up, and then from this point on, you draw another curve connecting the top curve. This will be the shark's nose. We want to kind of emphasize that. So we're drawing a pointy shape there. See, as I'm gradually darkening the lines. Next is the tail. We're going to draw it similar as how we drew our dolphin tutorial. So we're going to start by drawing a really light triangle shape, just as your guideline. Don't darken it yet. This is going to be the basic shape. And then for refinement, you can start by drawing another triangle here, and then you could only darken the lower part of the tails because that's what it's going to be. There you go. And for sharks, the top part of the tail is a little longer than the bottom. There you go. Now you have a basic shape. And the next part would be the pectoral fin. So similar with our drawing of the dolphin, you just draw another V shape down here. And for the dorsal fin, it'll be a little bit the same, but a little bigger. And so just curve that up and then curve this down. Easy, right? And then an extra fin could be added for a second dorsal one just a little bit behind him. So he looks extra cool. Now we have our basic shape. And next, for detailing, we're going to draw the eyes. So for that, you can just draw it somewhere in the middle here. Draw an oval shape like last time. And since we're drawing with crayons, you can just fill in the pupils. So he's going to be looking back. And same for the eyebrows. And then next, we'll draw a smiling face, starting from the bottom of his nose, and then just draw another curve, just like so, and another curve to close the mouth. And, of course, we should add the teeth as well. Similar to how we did our T-Rex video, just draw upside down triangles or letter V's. Draw as many as you want. He's looking friendly. And then the next part that's important is the gills. So you draw 3 curved lines just a little bit here. And there you go. Now you have the basic outline. The next part, we're going to be coloring the shark. So for this one, I'm going to draw a guideline really lightly, and so just a little bit above the tail here. In between his belly, we're going to leave a space there, so I'm going to draw this line. And then from the fin, I'm going to draw another line, just going a little bit above his mouth here, and then ending it there. There you go. We can also add the nostrils just down here. Better not forget those. Just one line there. There you go. And then we're going to be filling it in with the same light blue crayon. Just the top part. We are going to be leaving this white. So you could color the dorsal fins as well. And then we're going to stop on this lines because you can't color past that. But for the front fin here, for the pectoral fin, we are going to be coloring that out too. And then we're going to color the rest. We're going to color around the eyes. Don't color inside because we're going to leave that white. And then just color everything on top. Just don't color beyond this line here. And there you go. Now you have a shark. And to emphasize the outline, we're going to be using the darker blue just to go around everything. And I'm going to go down the belly here just so you know that that's the outline. And then same for the fin. And then down here as well. Smiling face. You can color his pupils again to emphasize that. And then around the nose, and over his head. And then just above here. There you go. Now you have an IDS shark. Thank you for following along with our lesson today. We'd love to see your drawings, so either post them in the comment section or use the hashtag IDS Kid Club because we might even share your drawing for everyone to see. So stay creative and keep healthy, everyone. And don't forget to wash your hands often for 20 seconds or more to help prevent the spread of germs. Thank you again. Bye now.